Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Got another truck for you today that we're going to do a lift kit, tires, and wheels on. It's kind of funny that this is happening because yesterday, which I haven't even posted the video yet, but you'll see it today. Yesterday, I did a video on a really nice red GMC 2500. It was a, it may have been a 3500. I think it was 3500 AT4. And I was talking about how this truck was the red one was the first long bed truck, GMC 2500, 3500 that I've done. And I thought it was kind of funny because I've done 100 of these trucks, and you know that by watching, but I've never seen a long bed come through the shop. And sure enough, we got that one done yesterday. Walked in this morning, there's another one sitting here. So this is a 2024, hold on, I need to check and see. I think it's a 2024. Couple special things about this truck that are different than a lot of the ones you've seen on the channel. Looks like, yeah, we've got a 2024 GMC 2500 3500 Sierra with a 6.6. I think this is the gas engine with an Allison transmission. It's definitely a four-wheel drive truck. It's black and it's a long bed. We're doing a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit, 24x14 polished KG1 jacked wheels. And we are doing 37-inch NItto Recon Grappler tires, which is, as you guys know, NItto is one of my favorite brands of tire. I think the NItto Recon Grappler looks amazing for what it is, but personally, I like a mud tire over an all-terrain on these big builds. But you know what? This is going to look good, so I'm excited to see it. One special thing about this truck is that it is an SLT model. It's not one of the Denali's or the AT4s or one of those upper trim packages. So I'll show you the truck right now. Let me know what you think about it. There it is, all black. I do love the chrome right off the bat. I love the chrome bumpers, and it looks like GMC, unlike Ford, I think Ford in the upper class models of their truck, like on the 250s, they give you this LED on the lights, but I think on the lower class trim on some of the Fords, you don't get that, but it's really cool to see that you get it on the SLT GMC. I don't know if the like the work truck model GMC is going to have this exact light. They probably did some version of this light without the LED on it because that's an upcharge for them. So this is what I was talking about, 6.6. I believe that is a gas engine, even though their Duramax engine it is a 6.6 as well, but I think it says Duramax whenever they're Duramaxes. So checking out the interior of the truck, comparing these basically to what our Denali Ultimates and stuff like that look like on the inside. Right off the bat, I see that it has Bose speakers in it. Starting the engine up, we have our two big screens, the same as the Denali and the Denali Ultimate, so no change there. I'm sure there are some features that it doesn't have that the Denali does have, but hey, we're in black leather. We don't have any special badges or, you know, colored stitching or anything fancy like that, but we have leather front and rear. We have the dark wood grain that I love so much in these trucks. Yeah, I really don't see... one thing that is different here, the start engine button is different. That's odd. I never would have guessed that. So the Denali and them have like a triangular shape one, which is, it's a little odd that it's different, but hey, I understand. About to get this one pulled in just a few minutes and get started on it. Super excited about it. Stay tuned and watch. Thank you. Well, I'm kind of getting pressed for time out here today, so I wanted to go ahead and throw this last clip into the video so I can post it for you guys today. This is our 2024, I think it is 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. I'm just way off today. This is a 3500 again with the long bed. You guys know I just posted my first video on a long bed like yesterday, and we have another one in here today. This truck got the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit, fully upgraded with the upper control arms up here, with the stainless steel face plates on top here. There's our 9-inch cross member right there for the McGaughys lift. We have really good axle angles and everything on this one. I don't know how much you guys can hear. The wind is blowing like crazy, but you know, it is what it is. If you guys like this truck and you have any questions about it, leave me one in the comments, or you can call me. I'm Jake. My number is 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Going over the tires and wheels real fast before we go. 37, 13, 50, 24 NItto Recon grapplers. This is the best all-terrain tire you can get in this size. It's very, very good American-made tire. It's made here in Georgia, actually. Pairs up real nice with the 24x14 KG1 jack in the high polish finish. Actually, I said 24x14. These are definitely 24x12s. My fault. The lights we did here are the Infinite Off-Road rock lights and the Infinite Off-Road quad row wheel lights right here. They'll go all kinds of different colors for you. Let me know what you think about the truck in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching. All right, guys, we got the 2024 Chevy 2500 here. You saw the clips earlier in the video. We were taking off the 24x12 KG1s and putting like a wintertime setup on this. You may have seen this setup on my channel on some of the GMCs lately. This is the 22-inch replica wheel, the GM replica wheel that takes the factory Chevy cap or GMC cap, or Denali cap if you have a Denali as well. And we did the 37, 12, 50, 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trails. This is an amazing setup if you're trying to do a big tire on a small amount of lift. There's no rubbing. Of course, the truck's already trimmed because of the wheels that was on it before, but we didn't have to do anything to get the 37s on here now, so everything looks amazing and turns all the way. Also on this truck, we did, in the past, that we did the Ready Lift Logic air system. Just wanted to do a little video clip of that just to show you this is an amazing kit to put on your truck. It doesn't affect the truck if it's lifted or not lifted. It still works either way. And you have a compressor and an onboard tank and a controller that you can go up or down with right from inside the truck with Bluetooth. This is a good setup for work and everything like that. You can go anywhere you want to go, drive-throughs, curbs, potholes. None of that affects this truck, and you can pull trailers with it with no problem. So if you guys want a good option for that, here you go. Thanks for watching. So I wanted to throw a little extra clip into the video today for you guys. A lot of you may know this, a lot of you may not, but we do have two locations. We have Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia, and we have Southern Tire in Covington, Georgia. Our Covington store did a build today that's very, very nice. We didn't have much of a hand in this one. They did everything over there for us, but I wanted to go ahead and give a shout out to the customer. His name's Bo, and he came from South Florida. So he decided to drive the truck over here to the McDonough location from the Covington location whenever he got finished, just so we could film the truck. There's probably all kinds of wind noise coming in right now because the wind's blowing like crazy, but guys, take a look at this truck. This is a 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 High Country. We did a big lift, tires and wheels on it. I'm about to go over all the details with you, so let me know what you think in the comments. Here's our truck. Beautiful blue color with some 26 by 14 KG1 Aristos. If you're a longtime fan of the channel, you'll remember that I used to have some KG1 Aristos. It was actually the first wheel that I ever bought forged for myself. And that's what really started all this, with the forged wheels. But the wheel looks absolutely amazing. Pairs up great with a 40, 15, 50, 26 Toyo MT. A lot of guys don't think Toyo makes 26s, but they do. They do it in a 40 and a 42. You just have to have a really big lift kit to get it to work. This truck, we did the 12-inch NItto lift with the upper control arms and the Fox reservoir shocks. He told me a minute ago he's about to order the traction bars for the rear that will match up to the front kicker braces that we have here on this kit. NItto is a very, very good kit. Just normally it's a good kit. The price point on this 12-inch is amazing, though, compared to the competitors. There's not a lot of people that do a 12-inch lift for the 2500s, especially the new ones. But for the price that they do this one for, it's kind of a no-brainer. FTS is a good bit more than this kit. So has that ever-popular X cross member in the front. Everybody loves that. It's a little bit different than everybody else's lift kit. Everybody else uses flat, steel. This is the 2 bars that make the X in the front. Very, very nice. Of course, your axle angles at 12 inches are amazing. Truck drives awesome. I just drove it around the building here, and it's great. So I'm gonna throw some cinematic shots of this truck in, and let me know if there's anything that you would change on it, and what do you like about it, what do you not like about it. If you have any questions, just shoot me a call, 678-994-9180. Thanks, guys.